mathematicians, we are back evaluating more expressions, and this time they have just a few more operators, so we're amping up the complexity just a little bit, but we're still following the same pattern in the same method. All right, we have p minus the quantity of r plus q all over 6 plus r. We're going to use 2 for p, 1 for q, and 1 for r. So my new problem becomes 2 minus the quantity of 1 plus 1 divided by 6 plus r. And here is yet another example of why PEMDAS is not something you follow to the letter. It's more of a guideline than a set in stone rule. So according to PEMDAS, we would take care of the parentheses first. So we would have 2 minus 2 over 6 plus, oh, that's not r, 1, sorry, 1. All right, but PEMDAS doesn't help us with a problem like this because there's no more parentheses, but we have to take care of that 2 minus 2 before we divide by 6. So 2 minus 2 would be 0 divided by 6, and 0 divided by anything is 0 plus 1, and our final answer would be 1. It's important that you start practicing doing vertical math, so that means working down. Just the further we get in algebra, the more important it is to write your math in a logical order, in a nice and neat order, straight down, and that will become more clear as this class progresses. Number 6, we have x squared minus y plus y plus y. And we're using 2 for x and 4 for y. So we have 2 squared minus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So we have to take care of that exponent first. 2 squared, remember that exponent tells repetitive multiplication of the base. So that'd be 2 times 2, which is 4 minus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Let's work left to right. 4 minus 4 would be 0 plus 4 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4 plus 4, and then 4 plus 4 would be 8 would be our final answer. All right, let's take a look at number 7. We have 5r times the quantity of q plus 6 divided by 2. And notice that every time we have parentheses, I say the quantity of. That's because the parentheses have grouped those numbers together, so they're not separate things. They're grouped together. We're using 5 for q and 2 for r. So I have 5 times 2 times the quantity of 5 plus 6 over 2. All right, we need to take care of the parentheses first. So we're going to add 5 and 6, which would be 11 divided by 2. Now we're going to multiply. So 5 times 2 would be 10 times 11. 10 times 11 would be 110 divided by 2. And 110 divided by 2 would be 55. And that would be our final answer. All right, last one we're going to do together. Z plus 5 squared minus the quantity of x minus 2. We are using 3 for x and 2 for z. So our new problem becomes 2 plus 5 squared minus the quantity of 3 minus 2. So let's take care of the parentheses first. So I still have 2 plus 5 squared minus 3 minus 2 would be 1. Now let's take care of the exponent. 2 plus 5 squared. Remember, exponents tell us repetitive multiplication of the base, so that would be 5 times 5, which is 25 minus 1. Now we're going to work left to right. 2 plus 25 would be 27 minus 1 would be 26, and that would be our final answer. Again, if you have a value for every variable that you have in your problem, you should have a numerical answer to end with, one number to end your problem. All right, so your assignment will be similar. Now remember, I can't show you every scenario that's going to come up. So you're going to have to apply pattern recognition and understanding what you need to take care of first and going through a correct order of operations to solve the problems correctly. If you watch this second video, go ahead and throw, I don't know, one of the animal emojis in the chat, so I know that you got this far. And thank you for watching this lesson, and I hope this is helpful for your assignment today. Happy mathing!